Most people think drinking more water automatically means better hydration. But what if I told you that plain water often passes through your body without truly hydrating you? Today, I'm going to show you a simple mineral trick that can instantly improve your blood flow, your cellular hydration, and your overall energy. Your body is made of water, yes, but it's also made of electrolytes. To move water into your cells, your body depends on minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Here's the problem. Most people drink large amounts of plain water, but their bodies don't have the mineral balance needed to absorb that water effectively. So the water just rushes through, making you pee more, but hydrate less. This leads to low bioavailability hydration, leaving you tired, foggy, and with sluggish circulation. Minerals are like the keys that let water enter your cells. Sodium helps hold water in your bloodstream. Potassium pulls water inside your cells. Magnesium relaxes your blood vessels and helps circulation. When these minerals are balanced, something incredible happens. Water actually hydrates your tissues. Instead of passing straight through, hydration becomes functional. You feel more energized, your blood flows more smoothly, oxygen is delivered better, and your muscles and brain work more efficiently. Now, here's the simple trick. You don't need fancy electrolyte drinks. You can make your own mineral water at home. Just add a pinch of sea salt, a squeeze of lemon, and if you want, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of magnesium powder to a glass of water. That's it. You've upgraded plain water into cell hydrating, blood flow supporting mineral water. This helps your blood stay thinner, move freely, and deliver oxygen more efficiently throughout your body. How do you know you're not hydrating properly? Look for these signs. You feel thirsty even after drinking water. You urinate frequently and it's clear. You get muscle cramps. You feel tired or sluggish. You have cold hands or feet, or you get headaches during the day. These are all clues that your body isn't absorbing water well. You don't need to drink this mixture all day long. Once or twice a day is enough, especially first thing in the morning, before exercise, during long work hours, or anytime you feel tired. This small, simple habit can stabilize your hydration, improve your circulation, and increase your natural energy. So the next time you reach for a glass of plain water, remember that your body doesn't just need water, it needs minerals with water. Try this trick for a week and notice the difference in your energy, hydration, and blood flow. Stop drinking plain water and start drinking water that actually hydrates you.